Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about isometric views drawing of 3D figures. Okay, so before we start the session, first of all we need to understand what is an isometric view. So isometric view is basically a corner view and without changing the shape and the size. Okay, so if you can see this figure, this is a 3D figure, and if you see, this is your front view. Okay, so you also need to understand what is a front view, top view. So if you look from this side, this is your front, and if you look it from back side, that is obviously back. Now this will be top view. Now the here bottom, and this side will be right, and this side is left. So this is how you need to see the isometric views. Okay, so what will be the front view look like? If you see from this side, the view will be a rectangle shape of this type. But if you look from the right, then it will be only like this, right? This is from front and this is from right. If you don't believe me, let me just move this figure. So when I said front, if I move, this is your front. So you can see this is a rectangle. And if you see from right, then it is like this, right? So you should know how to see these front, left, right to design and draw the isometric views. Okay. Now let's try to understand difference between 2D and 3D figures. I'm sure you know this, okay? But you should know the 3D figures which we are going to talk about. So I hope you know what is a pyramid. So try to draw a pyramid by yourself. So pyramid looks like this. This is a triangular pyramid. This is your top, and then these are the base sides. Okay, now what is a cylindrical shape? This is your pyramid. Okay, now what is a cylindrical shape? You should know the cylindrical shape. So this shape is a cylindrical shape. Now what is a rectangular prism? Now rectangular prism will look like this. So you should know all these shapes. So this is a rectangular prism. Now what is the cubical prism? A cubical prism will have all side equal. Will all side will be equal. So this is your cubical when all sides are equal, and this is your rectangular prism when all sides are equal. Okay, so let's try to solve some question, and then I hope you will understand this topic much more. So first question we have, draw isometric view. Okay, we have to draw isometric view of a cube when each side is 3 unit long. So we will use a isometric dot paper for this. Okay, you can download this from the Google, type isometric dot paper, and you can do the practice after that. So isometric dot paper and cubical shape with all side 3. So you can start from any point. Let's start from here. So 1, 2, 3, and you will go this side. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Right? Now from these points again, 1, 2, 3. Just connect them. 1, 2, 3. This will definitely come as 3 now. And now 1, 2, 3. And similarly 1, 2, 3. Now you will move this way. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So to design and draw the isometric views, you should know what is the shape look like. So if you don't know the cube, then you cannot draw it. So now you just have to connect the inner shapes using the dots, and you can connect like that. So this is your cubical shape. Okay, and this is the isometric view of a cubical shape. Now let's try to draw some other shapes. Now isometric view for a rectangular prism with base side 2, 3 and 4 unit long. So for a rectangle, you know that there are three sides, right? Length, width and height. So let's take width as 2, 1, 2, and then let's take, okay, let me try it this way, 1, 2, and 3 unit long, 1, 2, 3, and 4 unit high. Let's take 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what you have to do is, from this point you just have to, if you are moving this side, 3 unit, 1, 2, 3, height will be 4 unit, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is again your height, 1, 2, 3, 4, and similarly you just have to connect all the dots, 1, 2, 3, 4. This was 3, sorry, 1, 2, 3, not 4. 1, 2, 3, and just connect the dot. Now this is your rectangular prism isometric view. Now you can connect the insides also. So 1, okay, let me just 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's it. Now this is your rectangular prism, okay? So this is how you draw the isometric views of 3D shapes on a isometric dot paper. Let's try some different shapes. Now try to draw a triangular prism, okay? So pause the video and try to do it by yourself. Now let me draw it for you. Triangular prism. In this one you have 4 units high. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. And 3 units long. So 1, 2, 3. And what else? 1 second. Yeah. Let me take this side. 1, 2, 3. And 2 units also. Okay. 1, 2. Now what you will do in the triangular prism, you have given two sides. The third side you just have to connect like this, okay? And the height is here. Now again from this point, from height, if you go to the this side, that will be 2 unit, again same, and this side will be 1, 2, 3, right? So you got something like this. Now again just connect this one as dotted line, and that's it. Now you just have to connect. Now you can say, Mr. How? Because the height is 4. So the total height is 4 all the time. And this is 3, this is also 3, this is 4, this is 4, this is 2, and this is 2. So that's it. That's your triangular prism. Okay, one last I will try. We have triangular pyramid. So how to draw the triangular pyramid now? Now again in this one you have 6 unit high. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the two sides of the base are 4 unit long and 3 unit long. So let's take 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. Now it's kind of similar till this point for all the isometric views, right? From this point onwards you see if what kind of shape it is, then it's all about imagination. Now triangular pyramid, if the base is 3 and 4, so this is 3, 4, and this is 6. Now in this one you can or else you can try with this way, okay? This is your height. From here take base 1, 2, 3, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Now you just have to connect them like this, and this will be your triangular pyramid. Okay, now I hope it is looking like a pyramid to you now, because I showed you the pyramid looked like this, right? And this is on the top. Okay, so we will talk about that in the future classes, but this is how you draw the isometric views of 3D shapes. I hope you understood. Please watch the video again. Feel free to drop your questions in the comment box. Thank you.